just in time tukambiria rwaria tukimurika uchumi bwa mugongo na bura uchumi bu bwithirite buke affect voting behavior na inya sentiments cia Kenya yegie odongeria unbe to akamutharimi ni bwega no ntubotungatira kirimito dekina ndia Meru TV Kenya tuli na political economist orandwe timu ya siasa ke ende ni statistician ninge ni economist akevira gitutetheria gutegera na kumurika mwerekera jo uchumi bwa mugongo ninge murabo kaendera buke affect voting patterns and the gorone Kenya ninge sentiments shia voters the gorone ni bwana Robert Jero ekana Jero wa Credible. Good morning na karibu Meru TV.
Thank you.
Ore umwega
ndio mwega buru na ibwega nuntu barukirirwa narua nuntu banyamutegerio Meru TV njegere twirete karitie nemenyithagia antu uria unde uruitete na ibwega nuntu bakanyaga twe na korukirirwa narua kugaume nuntu timbi jeteri na uma ba mtu mwaigachiko
sure. Ground dabile na kawaida ground vile iko mamtege uchumi na bora mantuja ja kwendera Kenya sentiments yao kulingana na rithore yaku we political economist ukona nande correlation between voting patterns and the state of the economy.
Okay, thank you so much. Ogutumira retora gichungu correlation na mutegeri that is yani ngwataniro ya uringi bakura na manto jegi economy kana ate economy affecta manto jegi uringi bakura na mbuge uringi bakura bwetha bo affecta oi manto ja maingi muno. There are so many factors ile itumaga akana ile indirect kanto na tabakaringa kura na mbuge economy is part of it, is one of it, although there are some other factors na bo affecta muno especially in Mount Kenya. Onto Mount Kenya ni antu bara ni antu bendete gucitara ngugi ciao, ni antu bendete biashara, ni antu bendete urimi, ni antu bendete gwita ngugi bakona mbeca. Ko in them iba associate so much leadership with kana utongeria na mantu juka bukwareta mantu jegi economy kana mantu jegi uchumi ka witi na mbere ki mantu jegi biashara na ngugi iri antu bakurita na ikietumi I think they were ibari passionate muno na manto jegi thirikari yundi 2022 rire janirie na manto ja bottom up bakuigwa na ndi biashara bagokirwo rewe na kioski ekeurusero rewe na ukwendia thokone itithithithie ke grocery na ndi gwatwikana ni manto ja collaborate very well with them kaija kugwatanira muno na mathugane jao nuntu mathugane jao jetha jojurito igwita ngugi na weti na mbere na so it's one of the biggest factor especially in Mount Kenya area affectaga antu mantu jegi kuringa kura kwe gitari mwandaraja na ndauga Mount Kenya is one of the community itithikaira atongeria kana ite director kwa ndere geta ni atongeria indirector kwa something else na something else yu na ndeto ugara gintu kiu kisukuma antu raba karinga kura nonto in of all the other region ingi cionthe cia Kenya weta Nyanza ibarare na baba although na ratutire me so rest in peace ugeta Karinjin ibatongera gwi mutongeria on the Ruto ugeta Ukambani be na Karonzo na kauga no mwanka bathinga tora mutongeria uga but in Mount Kenya utiro twagia mutongeria jo yani atongeria ba Mount Kenya kabathika irora ground ye kuga no ntonyo ground ye Mount Kenya it affecta kwa so much ni ule atongeria bakuga na isendi so no to 2022 akaja kwethera ni atongeria ba directaga antura bakaringa kura Raila kana baba ya kuringwa kura nyingi muno Mount Kenya but Mount Kenya they are pushed by other factors kana bachukuma kwa hii manto jange jaraja tuma bongo bachinchia no to it's only in Mount Kenya ra kuigwa gatuthikire ground kuthikira ground ikuigwa na ate antu bakwenda na ate antu bakuga in fact leaders for people and that is what happens in Mount Kenya no to na boba chukuma kwa manto jange jaja una ndeje gi uchumi ethrote na mbecha mko ethra biashara itegweta bwega o associate that with leadership ukona ndio tongeria bugote kali bwega. Yes.
Na kile ripoti ya tuturie ya Kenya National Bureau of Statistics ile ni economic statistics ya 2024-2025 barigwa GDP ya Kenya koride na 5% ende kulingana na bamwe bakiuga igitenere kibake nyare in the upward side ende to you as an economist, what does that mean? GDP whether between 4.7 and 5%.
Okay, GDP, kira tuitaga GDP, gross domestic product, ni ntobiria nthiguru ina inya ya go produce within its borders. Kana umianka yetu Kenya itiritiri twari makaua, twari majani, twaita biashara, ni utonga buri kutumba go produce ndene nthiguru in a certain period. Na utonga buri sometimes the figures mechi agent directed by people can manipulate figures, but in despite of that, nyawa tuika ite manipulate, so that is the exact figures that we have. GDP no irege kumeasure the welfare of the people. Na GDP ranto baigagwa GDP ra imuko kana utonga bura bu muko jwaku utonga bura bu produce inde guru no bora ku affect as a person. Na ikieto mi people kananto baigagwa bafira themselves. They you don't need to mbuga manto jegi economy. Utio nindi ukaroki na iranto la manto ja change the babati kufiru bongwa nonto when anything changes nja ukathawe nja manto ja kabua ututinda kwira ana mushara ijurongerekere kana kwe manto ja ra change nja nonto nandeketha batari ja mugate rukire bakamberia kure na barabara ri ja mugate jute na Mburumbandi bakamberia gwakirwo Mburumbandi na ndebo bongo bakamberia kuona kwena manto jo change within the household. Na it is so even to the country. The manto jago change and then nthiguru jatininda those figure no to GDP is a macro figure, it affectaga individual people kananto bongwa na anto bongwa ba affecta kwa igento twetaga per capita income ikuga GDP je unande watu ikotonga bwa nthiguru itirilioni imwe o muntu agaeria batikwethera ena mbeca ngana. But whether nande it correlate per capita income, the GDP and the welfare of the people it kugwatanira no to bwa different factors. For example, kwena gento twetaga demographic difference between the rich and the poor. Ukethera nande the gap between the poor and the rich kananto baba na mbeca na bara batena chio it is too big. Kwera muntu mwagire whether nande for example in our countries, the developing countries, whether 90% of the wealth in 10% of the people and the 10% of the wealth in 90% of the people. Nande population na tu kana Kenya utukari 90% yetu tuligana 10% ya GDP gukugira. Nayo 90% ya utonga bu GDP weketha ina 10% of the people. Kona ndio kethera itonga bie na kweri no wethere ni ukuramba it is growing to them no to mbecha ibo be na chio the 10%, then the 90% of the people they can't feel that but kuigwa growth you no to okay jo compare na Gitara Kibaki there was that tremendous growth na mbuga ire almost to the same rate, but whether nande Gitara Kibaki nyamu mtora wende guru buruna kufeel na the guru transformer Gitara Kibaki no to that GDP growth yo everybody na afiraga ketha ija policy ya kuleta bonda without taxation ukona na ndi nyanto barabara ri job race baraka bairanto njireni batonyere bikibiki ne baguita ngoge ba contribute to the same GDP weto kethra na ndi kethra ija prombox ichiejere anto ibatonyere gi transportation sector ketha ukejo kethra ma kwena SACCOs ya rugorero Gitara ndo kethra it is very easy for everyone to borrow money. Give those financial institutions na ibaguita biashara na ibaguita ngugi and everybody is contributing to that in GDP. But currently what is happening ureto kethra na ndi kethra ija bank interest rate ni chitirie government ni ongerere internal borrowing more even than the external borrowing na by inflate those figures so much and there kwena gento tweta crowding out effect ukera ndi thirikari iriromba mbeca cia nthiguru ngurukia wananchi na botemea go compete na thirikari kou anto baitigo batena mbeca cia kuromba kache gwita ngwe kache go security so anto batego contribute to that in GDP. It is the government and the few cartels that are contributing to the same and to the economy grow from the micro part of it grow from the macro which is not affecting the micro no to nyambe chinka ichia jana ke the micro sector ile jokwa through taxation the other way. So na nduke at the end of the day basi ile jokwa tubande gichoka gatike the big farms, the cartels and the government itself, na nduke mwananchi ate ku feel that growth.
Sure. Na nalwa ile tariki 5 first of this month May you are into Labor Day na Rais William Ruto akiaria ugire maguria fertilizer ya kuma 6,000 to 2,500. Indi nande maguria into biabata ndetore na Kenya enya tugiana ngerekano nyanya tomato Nairobi tomato imwe nyanya imwe re 25 shillings ile vary na places kwino kwendwa 20 kwino kwendwa 10 miro kwino kwendwa 15 kwino kwendwa 20 like so na baba inge ba traders bariwa it's easier kwedira baki import these vegetables from Tanzania or Uganda nyanya matunguru and fruits from our neighboring countries than kwedira bakura from farmers na burara isa kuwa input shafam nishina metie magori discrepancy ya burama the traders wakuga it's cheaper to import vegetables na burara isa kuga mantu kwenda kwa magori inputs
to add into that kabwe te nyankara chiongo ku import Uganda it is cheaper than buying them in Kenya. Na one of the reason go tuika nande kwena farm input ile bya ngoko fertilizer jayu kwerwa intobia munda and all those things na mbuge there are so many factors they determine the price the cost yeginto for example no when ke fertilizer na ruwa nkalima mpempe na mbuga nkalima mpempe nyingi ntonde na fertilizer but maguta ija iteti oni guita mpempe cia kwa mundene wiki thokone nkale ngurukio ura ndirariaga oni gochwaka machine gakuthiira mpempe ketha igotumira petroli bando no gathithia ate no cost no ikongereka. So you meet no in farm inputs but maybe politically you are doing it to rule in the farmers, but at the end of the day mwananchi ura kana murimi ura at some point agakinya samwe ona na ndinya input ire tu mutethia no nto kwethera impempe no kurima ende agita thokone china goro nguruki ura rende gura Uganda na fertilizer no mwene kire yes ndio kwena that kwena ranch scale production inyege ntokiu. But there are some other factors. For example, unkuweta manto ja maguta is the most important input of production. Enyakedrete oneka ka igento kira gitumairo ki manto production in ranch scale. Na ikeja guita gento kyo ndagitaia. Nonto inyatracte uche kulema. No maguta igotumira. So wethara nande no weneke ija kujukia tu mukojo wekara jo jongi ukagwo gutethia muntu we munekera na njare ukajukia na njare engi wakarega kugura buthire no tathithia ate no tamutethia na unless other factors unrest. For example bugande na munda eke 10 kabwe no kumbenekera fertilizer yes but the fertilizer umbenekera ntiomba kwase me akurima munda tiga na aja rimwe turi maga in small scale for subsistence but in the guru tiomba ku sustain research kwena wethara kwena ranch scale farming ketha ija munda jwa eka 10 eka 20 eka 50 eka magana jairi kwena no urere mana matrakta ukethera ndi munda ya julia nya cost ye kule maki ere wongera no toba maguta more than the subsidy yo kwa yambi ya fertilizer and other farm input na bange we bakaleta na baleta okora batu nenkira nya fertilizer ite up to standard. That's also a problem. So I would say beside the farm input which is a good thing, they need to come into looking into kana bagerie kuthuja imanto jange yari kujara jombo tuma murimi a feel effect ya subsidy fertilizer ketha fertilizer ingiri thandatu kweneka ngiri thatu thithia manto jange jara jaga atuma a feel that by lowering that cost ya into binge biria biotumika no to urimi te farm input aki kwena those other things that yunku gwetaga chia maguta no to maguta ugeta for example uketha uraketha mpempe mikebe 5 uketha nya mikebe 10 beye kena manonto bokuingi ya mpempe but ugita thokone kugura mutu jwankano mostly nkano katu importaga ugeta kugura nkano mutu jwa nkano ndukene ugeta kugura sukari ndukene wethire price ye double nonto neo cost ya production into biria cost of transportation importation tax wekere into biyonde wethire into biria bi more costly than uro no mona ore orendagia mikebe tano ukagura the same product no una ndio kwendia mikebe 10 kenda wa fondi the same commodity. So at the end of the day ukono tukio rathithia ta urachenja na nkurukie jau ukethera na ndi nyampempe iyo kurimaga we ni kiri farm input wekera some other factors kuna ndi yu thirikari ite kwenda kuruku into ukethera na ndi nyamurimi ore orimire Uganda inya fertilizer akigura goro Uganda bando gintu kia wigi kwendwa cheaper than in Kenya. And wethire na ndi kietumio kona nto bakigira mpempe Tanzania pakeja kwendia Kenya, bakagira nkara Uganda pakeja kwendia Kenya, bakagira inyeria Uganda pakeja kwendia Kenya. Nonto Kenya it is more expensive, it is more costly, price is too high. Measa price papura kwa hii prices. When the prices are too high, the willingness to supply the product is too high. So no mwankabachi wa product wherever they will get at a small cost. Nonto nagwa kwenda kuongera the profit margin. Na ndio uko at the end of the day we are not helping even our farmers.
Sure. Mbere tu maroka kile point you man the importation. Akiari na ugire mantu Rais William Ruto akiari akire mambo ya Labor Day na ugire mantu ya kukuria na konjorithia kire iwanda bieto that is manufacturing namna ke weta mantu ya sugar ndari mteresha Western Chemelil Muhoroni Sony Mumias akiuga ni babata thirikari gethira ikiongela kigena akwira ikiriukie iwanda B ende importation yetu ya sugar kuma Brazil and other countries they very high yatuma in the first place nya yatumire kwa our local manufacturing industry share manto sukari Mumias and so on nondunambe kuibaraba ku import from Brazil and so on kwa tuganande kurake Mumias non why cost of production but competing a price ya goods imported again mantu ya textile industry batu to rango Sekedat China and other countries onto Rivertex Square a strong company in Taramo in 1980s and so on a lot of producer locally made clothes mantu yenge ngos shia ndedia batu trendia shia aids shia ta ome ya tuchokera shire leather ekendera shi increasete watu wewe muremi utekona kiguni hiyo kirukira baidi kurapo kana mantu andingi touch on that inya tugita kire mantu yangi.
I think tubati ushuri atiri menya mwana biashara utekaga benefit kana chance ile ku make opportunity ku make profit kana opportunity ya kuongera nande nikigitumi tuka import sukari Brazil nikigitumi mea thirikari go import ni individuals mtu agwetaka import sukari Brazil kende ndia Kenya nikigitumi akugira Brazil one no mankethe Brazil the sugar is very cheap kana ina bei nthiguru iria ongera nya bei ye kulingwa taxation importation tax bando bei ire ketha nthiguru ngurukie sukari ire ku produce wa Mumias. So anto kira gatumire kiwanda kukigwa tutuye kanto ibetere ku import sukari Brazil tubatu Julia nikibetere ku import imbi sukari Brazil and that is what kikyo kira thirikari batere kwethera gitakuraga aja centralment twene nyana ke kiwanda kia production ya cotton processing ya cotton anto batwire kulima cotton anto batwire ku no me those things ichi atethairia for example jo kuga manto ja supply ya manto jangu na mbinambi ko nyangu iria bukwenda from outside ketha ni nkai itego suppress the supply within the country. And I think what the government should do intentionally me atika nande manto ja kutenga kufanya but we can and they are serious about whatever they are doing not to ya viwanda bibia sukari Western nkurika na kwero watu ikete mambo ni matatu o manto jegi viwanda view it's either you ship out and then the problem that we are experiencing in the country you go to eka nyamto rugo ku oge express intention ya gokeria urimi bwa gento kana urimi bwa certain product majority of the leaders kana kateo sire iri kube na interest in that product kwiro nya kware na rumors manto jeria mero and what have you but ukethera na ndi muntu ena some other interest in purpose wete ku enhance production ya that product but are ono ntu kwina some other vested interest maybe na kwenda kujuki kiwanda maybe na kwenda kutuika noe wo control noe cia onda no manto jajau no tonande ukatuika sukari mumia zine ku produce maitu tukole maigwa twina processing company kana factory in the country kwatuika sukari tu produce aja na goro sukari producerwe Brazil kama toae sipo ya mwanka Kenya ererwa import duty ethirwa kila kitu but it's still cheaper than sukari to produce western. Then it tells you there is a problem, and that is why tukuga thirikari no mwanka the intention about those industries kienda kethra cost of production yene ko buru na menyana ndatigire the other time ba we viral nyama marando jara bena nando koli na ndike wanda jakiri ali marando iwa ibienu puli ruta from farmers pokaleta factory machine tiapo koraka every day. The only recurrent expenditure bwene imeshara aki nukuona so na marando ja kuma ki such things na but ukejotegera on the other hand jo tukuga meana ndo gatweka for example ukejotega we need to consider for example ya fuel. What is the cost of fuel in Brazil? What is the cost of fuel in Kenya? What is the cost of transportation? Iwabi wikiumira munde ne wikija factory kuma factory all those product. What is the cost of product? What is the cost of transportation? Not all those things iga culminate to the total cost of the product. But I think kirage kuraga ndegoro Kenya kabwe those cartels I was talking about nonto inyoga taka all those factors tiga manto ja fuering yake okay yotaka jariba. I don't think Brazil they pay less than we pay here in Kenya. Riba ukona mtu ogutinda kiwande ne kumarukire mwanka goro in Kenya na onge Brazil no mwanka ethera in Brazil na kulewa mbecha nyingi ngurukie mtura we Kenya. But you korwa nande at the end of the day ina that ngapu ekweja. But you rather nande kethera sukari na shilingi 300 the cost of production is shilingi 100 but in between there shilingi 200 kuna gitumi chiriona it is for specific people. The 10% ire ekaliti otonga kwa ndiguru na 90% ikigana ka 10%.
All right. Investors na gukuria manufacturing industry kwa musiasa mwenda bikera kiaria au akwena mandatu yarakinyeka can get right. We can be well off kwena manufacturing, education na health akiuga mono manto ya manufacturing akwithira turi tukikuyiri investors akwireo Dagote Group baenda kuya kana alikonda company alikonda Dagote baenda invest in Kenya manto ya cement and so on lakini aidira akiringika muno akiwa bila witwa in terms of corruption. And to barambi ya kwithira akiona will not be making anything out of that investment. Every office awunkuma ni kwenda kanyamu from the county to the national government bureaucracy. Everyone wants something ikienda either invest Kenya ikabidi ameenda Tanzania na ndipo Dagote investment ya Kenya. Talking of that, investors bakaenda by scared that way not to boa the processes mabalwa ya maingi ya county ya national babatu kwenda bagioria na tima balwa yake kuna some strings come attached lazima export on that. I think tuluga tuetete Singapore. The Singapore we are talking about is Singapore twali at one point in time na baya linya nyuma yetu no twabaromba our strategic plan yetu ego take off. But there's something they did differently from what we are doing and what we've been doing. Na manzi utukuthithia tha iji ututwire kuthithia ja especially the things we are talking about corruption and what have you and encouraging that investment. Berembe ya point iwan kurikanie another point kwina manzi jaja maguta jaje Turkana the oil maguta ya tukuga ya itirie je na ma ya kithima kia mbere kia Thengamia 1 ya area 2012. From 2012 today we are in 2026. So 14 years down the lane
bando maguta jatera thithia ate jatera tutera tumira maguta jaturukana kwena company ri imanto ja maguta jau finally ke withdraw na AMB right ciao cha kwenja kithima kiria na wathingatira the problem for those 14 years imanto ja pande down ntu kumtu kwenda kuria kumtu kwenda shares fulani kumtu kwenda sijui nini all those things no na I think maguta jara ja produce turukana the amount the quantity tukeja goja produce nyama ya tukwira na anga maguta anga jara Asia anga Ukraine anga tengafu ire kuingwa maguta ja itia and all those things tulithirania chuburu no ntukeja tega majority of the countries they produce oil tiga no lechi political crisis the goluria they are aware of itake Nigeria all those countries na Liberia all those countries tiga no le mo chi experience a lot of political instability but majorly jako kwa bagandafi nona kinyete somewhere to some point utuika nyao graduate nyote utena ngwe ukaria wa mushara no tunandebo maguta kibona ndeti ni print be na mbecha excess money in the country iba kwenda ku engage everyone na keep everyone no to when people have money they invest in that money na when they invest they generate tuga consumption no consume ukalia na rubi kadira no consume in terms of investment and when you invest then no kukoliambi uchumi bwa ndeguru but you see where we are from 2012 to 2026 bando maguta jatera thithia jatera materialize coming to what you are saying menyana ande those okorwa ande company je rendirie right chao che ku produce maguta iko frustrated na there are so many kwena factors ri tomaga investor igwe comfortable ku invest in an economy one no mwankethre comfortable na manto ja policy ri komekwa indeguru ndeguru gakaregi chenchagia policy you are afraid no tonarua no ithre taxation 15% rojo keja 20% na no invest already so ogo mathabu yaku gotarete ja 15% but rojo after a while ukuwa chigwitia 20% so for any investor no mwankategere one atri the policy ira ingaendaga manto jegie foreign investors in that country how are they stable kana chiethera chikaraga amwe gitarengana kaikara igichenja ya they dynamic or are they constant or are they stable no nto matheu na ndeja keja gukwethera when you are voluntarily investing in that country it's a problem then the biggest animal in the house imanto jo kuga manto ja corruption na ndeno nto no kwenda kickbacks na arua in the country every institution from where I sit from what I know every institution nyama chukuru all those things with a contractor kwa contractor 10% the CEO of the institution uro wetikiriria ugoe watenda kwa uketha uri supplier maiga rori 10 rori mwenewe that's given so na ndio ugokeja kwithira wi muntu maybe utena manto jara still no kwenda value for money no kwenda yani miako yantu batendete those things na bangi na nditha eu ndatara the small fish the big fish ukethera na project mbuga ne millions and billions but ukethera na kickbacks iro gwetua tha inge ire kondreniwa the profit margin akwionde kugataga ndo kona what's the value for whatever you are doing no to apart from the profit iro make there so much you are benefiting that country kana ndegoro ne kungeni so much with your investment kana gento kiro invested ndegoro ne eu tiga ngurukie profit iro kuona ke no to one kwena employment kwa tu kana ndeja ndangote nejire na thithia that kiwanda ya simiti na what have you wambere malireta a lot of competition with the current farms ila tu in the country na competition ingia then supply kaingia watu kanto ingia po produce cement and what have you the supply the demand forces ile toma price simiti kadithia ate ekena that's one benefit to the local mwananchi secondary kulitha kwina increase in employment no tunande kiwanda kikijire no ndakachi yetu ikira igitangweku especially ichiagaragari ite kwenda a lot of expertise na nya kwina policy rio in the country kwina some level of expertise utemea ku import from outside ko kuma certain level kwina ma urethera bamo bara bagwita ngwena u obisine karani accountants nini mbere ukinyana kwa MD urithira antu bo bonthe i Kenyans that are working in those farms. So okay, kwithira our leaders, they have that goodwill. Ukira ndeguru gategera ukona atiri maybe uretia kickback 50% of whatever you asking for, but inandeja kwena employment ukugita kwena welfare wananchi nonto ba manto ja cement and the price and what have you. So nande but nabo Kenya kuna wanyama bora kuliko wengine nonto nande what they interested with bauga ni interest kwa pa twira siasa ni interest ti interest ya wananchi ni interest yao ugono wejeta ko university ya investor imbi nkona ugono wejeta ko bring your industry ko establish your industry ndegurone yetu Kenya oni ja monene imbi nkona. That is what matters to them more than anything else. No team benefit ya mwananchi akuona and what have you. And that is why the road between Kenya and Singapore it will be too far. Bagure barabara zimekurwa. Tunaweza kosa kufika.
Alright. Budget ya mwisho ni 2026-2027. Budget policy statement nirigije kwendera kiringo murashi. As we near July, kulingana na ripoti ila nande ikuringo murashi mbele ya mbunge nene. Noto ile tulina budget ya 4.9 trillion. Na kile budget ya 4.9 trillion ya 2026-2027, 1.3 trillion ni ya service debt interest shende dola Kenya. 1.3 trillion. Na alafu ile shetia over 80% ni recurrent expenditure. Na kile recurrent expenditure ngenda gotegera some statistics ile shibiriti ke anwa expenditure yake ya State House and State Lodges. Ko renovate State House and State Lodges report ya 2022 mwaka 2024 kile State Lodges ile idondeki ikitumira beshi ya recurrent and so on. Mombasa
yes.
Mombasa State Lodge itumilite 311 million. Nakuru State Lodge itumilite 116 million. Eldoret State Lodge 36.7 million. Sagana State Lodge 30.8 million. Kisumu State Lodge 10.3 million. Kakamega State Lodge itumilite 15.9 million. Kisii State Lodge 9.8 million. Mtito Bay Lodge itumilite 0.2 million. Na kore na indikidia waka State Lodge botindo Kangangi county ya Bero bado hatujafika hapo. Kwenda ripoti nyingine ikimera Rwarua ofisi ya Mulini wa Rais Professor Kithure Kindiki itumera 8 million daily ya transport na ukinyagunto wonto.
Nande I think it turetare ara tukuga recurrent expenditure ure ibabo tumira that recurrent expenditure nondo nyerethira ina 90% kana 85% au appreciate watu ya recurrent expenditure au ina ajeri kona kethani alitugo bakwa wa mbechi yu kana it is yani mbechi ile tumirwa from the lower bottom of the pyramid kana the uratu twena gitrango kali uno nto bainge ne ande gorubale kwa tu recurrent expenditure ile jana aja then will not be boundary of ke economy nonto pagatu pakana nkero mbechi ile batumire ruichoke ke economically. But the unfortunate thing with everything, just like you've said, case statistics, which yaku no kwana it is the people at the apex, the 10% people by inflated the recurrent expenditure you are talking about. Na ngechoka kio manzo ukuga manzo ja budget 25-26. Another statistic we go to 70%. 70%, I think it is around 60 to 70% of the budget to be financed locally. It is only 30% that we are financing from outside. Na kwena nandiki 70% that we are tukuromba na ndegurune ke our country. No tukwaraia mantu ja crowding out effect in domestic borrowing. No rande mbecha hizi o igutumirwa bandri. Oiji iko inflate the budget nonto the budget you on the odoma kwa tikana ndembecha ile nyingi ichigweta ke development kana ke manto jara jombo kulia economy then it would be good to go, but the 4 trillion you are talking about no kuona nde 1 point something you talking about 1.4 something trillion iri gweta kimanto ja irandu interest, not the principal. Equally interest yake. Yoga gwa Talanta Stadium, it is something to do around 40 something billion, but we are paying it as 140 something billion. So the figures ile chiegoro na 100 something billion icho to service na that amount 1 point something trillion. Then the recurrent expenditure, the 80% no kuwa na yonande. But I think mwaka juzi tuterigira too much kabwe na the recurrent expenditure wimbijere ongerwa nonto kwa matu mwaka na siasa. Na mwaka na siasa no mwaka we wina too much soft money cia gutumira. Kana mbeca na ndei tuko utegustira kuna chino tunande ukorua how do you spend 80 million in a day just to travel, to eat, or those kind of things, eh? Na economically how is state loan helping us? For example, kwenewe kwenda kwa Mumiru igatoteria naye. What do people in Nakuru benefit from that state loan? Patu te kana Mumiru to anenkero to kona. Renovation yewe kuthithwe those million re state loan yewe mbie kuongera economically. No, I think whatever they are doing, they are investing in areas. Urona mtu etete nyumba kwa woga kwa baruni ukambiria kugura TV, kabandi, ite. Ndugona. At the end of the day ugatawa no nto TV una impendagia electronics. Na sometimes even my close friends, they know me. Na nya relatives. Uni uteja kwa kwangu kobithia gintu gite congenerating mbeca. Weja kwa kwangu kobithia TV. Alafu meaketha utukwa fonda kugura TV. Ukugura TV weke nyomba wonage news. Nende au ndu news generate money ugo iri gatuma ndio mba kuria TV ukure mikugura. Nukuona na ugakoba mbeca cia kuthithia manto jaja una ndeja ya TV ite na all those things muthie ne ugatawa. And that is what we are doing in the country. We are paying interest for into bite ko generate income. We are paying interest year on cha ko renovate state roads. Toleria interest year on rwako waka state roads tokaria interest year on rwako yani manto generally uti income ja kuongera ke economy yetu. And at that point tutaanguka.
Na nonto mwerekeria ambira ndekashete kudira. I know you're very passionate about youths and about sports, especially in Meru County and even in Kenya. You have some ties na FKF and the likes, Kenya Athletics. Gotikira na vijana ani bago kireshiwa na kutumira the God-given talents goshokia kiuchumi. Nkendo wete in the context of growing the people, the community, and the individuals. But sports play a very critical role create economy ya county even at individual level and even the community level.
Okay, thank you so much. Namba mabuge, I think Antobegi Sport, I think we are the largest demographic group in every community. For instance, wacha nizungumzie kama Southimenti. Ya Southimenti mbuga haitu ina timu 82 cha football. Football aki not any other sport, football aki. Every club eki influence ganto magana jadatu, that is 24,000 people. You can imagine 24,000 group of people be oriented kanaba gwati megwate yento kimwaki one type of sport. Na I think it is the right time our leadership change the way they see people, especially in terms of sport. No to bara baingi bale wale kwa sport watu wakuje wa enjoy wafurahie waende na even to some point papa tumire gisiacha no tuiba kumenya that the numbers are there wakaja papa tumire gisiacha bukalinga swim mpira hapa tournament hapa na pale na at the end of the day watu there is no growth in these people. Na in the spirit of CBC I normally say football kana sport ichichenjetie, they are changing people's life. Kuna moge yora matukire the other day una record ye marathon na aru is a millionaire no the nyata thoma no the nyata 3 form 4 but today he is a millionaire kwa mtu ena degree cha na PhD he is not yet there. So sports kana gift ira murungu atoete Biblia yuga ke wakere we ino gitume wakaranthi guru gitene kimona nene. Nonto that's how powerful the gifts are. And iketo minkoromba atongeria beto na all of us to change mathugania to erewe the importance of these things na to support these things as kintu kiombo change ya muturire jwantu. In South Imenti kwina nthaka iria o maingano na 3-4 ciko cethera nthiguru cia omena arua kwina mawira kianja Sweden kwina nthaka itagwa Njevu Mwichione nthiguru cia ome. All those boys maica jau ya changerie o rimwe nonto bwa this sport na igitarea gutari na lot of gutari na nthiguru itari open muno nonto bwa manto ja network sijui ma YouTube hizo nthiguru itari kweja na manto ne jau ja network muno, but currently nonto it is exposed. I think tukeja gwekera the support that is needed, no tuone a lot of people growing in sport na baga change ya muturire jwao economically, tukebera antu ara gwa kuturecetha twebera drugs ne untendete kuigwa that time ati nthaka cietu ciebere urebine ciebere mantu ne ja mathuku ciebere. No, it is a life changing moment. No kale ngwetera mbere twambiria program kwika jana gukumbira ka referee twathirie ka recruiter ara South Imenti last year na gacethia final ke kaije ke grade 9 thai ke grade 10 Kanyakine. He is also very doing well na mathomo jawe na muturire jwa we manto je EMP sport. The scholarship aero mheshimiwa Dr. Shadrack ntupa mpo that gift na arua agatura ije maisha jawe ja transformero imbi nguge referee twina kajana kanginya kena 13 years tha ici tura recruitire ke grade 8. He is also very doing well with the time. Mutura muthie no kethera maisha jawe ja change ja transform wa imbi sport, and in that I sincerely appreciate mheshimiwa wetu Dr. Shadrack Mwiti no to the support he is doing there. We've started another league last season to arena team 37. This time round arejere tetheria teams through manto jegi registration ke affiliation federation bali agangiri 3 abali rangirije na makana 5 so many teams cha kamwin twina team 82 62 chia boys na 20 chiare. We started the first women league ke sub county level South Imenti in a team 20. They are doing very well na itugocokia nkatho muno no tubata support no to at least all of us we are engaged na nkrukie jau nte korigwe mbuga ibwega no ntonauge alisema atawapatia mipira every team na nkrukie bonde tuthire twina ceremony jera twari ne ora season ya go celebrate anto pakia ja kwa bia from the number 1 mwankan team mwisho wekewa, not to pay them for whatever they are doing but to motivate them na kubokeria. And we are also starting a program there rino nkugana ndi some of the investment tubatere kwa tukithugana ira tumba kuthithia igakuria these youth rather than using them for political as a political tool. Itukwambira program with these juniors, the junior players ikienda na ndeto tap talent chiao when it is too early na barabe na potential ona mwana na talent no me agachurwa scholarship akaewa agatetherwa ule omba kuthoma all those kenda through sport anto bone through sport you can benefit, you can grow, you can be lifted up. So among other project I insist this so much even ngimucokeria nkatho mheshimiwa just like other project the way he takes them seriously. I appreciate to call he is taking sports seriously just like any other project, and I know in the next 5, 8 years, 10 years tukiona benefit cha manto jara akuthitha in sport.
Thank you very much. Bwana Jero wa credible anonto bwa kanyalaku anonto bwa gututeria kuthoya mwerekerajo mugongo tugitegera na ridore ye economy kana mamjie biashara cost of living bora kwegera ke affect common man na what the numbers mean, what they really mean to Kenyans in to kuirwa GDP to kuirwa this percentage and so on, at least over to take the average to KLewa. Thank you very much for your time. Inyambire mutege wetu ni bwega na mtubwa gototingatera, mtubwa gotudura, na mtubwa gototingatera mwako mwenye kile mitandao ya Kinanda TV Kenya, ogetutinyo benteto ile gweta ka tetune ka amerogeta kuraya ni tushokere ndio bitawakabwe. Muda.